Okay, today I'm gonna make an immune booster drink juice. So I'm gonna start off with my fresh orange, and I'm gonna juice it. It's important not to, if you're gonna blend the orange, you have to take it out of the whole skin. You not to blend the white part because it will be bitter. So I'm gonna juice it with my juicer, my hand juicer. This is a good juicer because it takes out everything. See, it's getting out all the seeds and everything on the inside. I'm gonna take the seeds out. I'm gonna put this here. I'm gonna pour it into my smoothie cup. Okay. I'm gonna take out all of this too. I'm gonna do that for the next one. I need a lime. You can use a half of a lemon. Let me take out the seeds before. There's a little one here for that. So I'm making sure I get out the pulp of the fruit too. It's better to have your fruit than the fruit juice because the roughage, the fibers in the fruits, it slows down the digestion of your fruit, so that you don't get that high sugary rush. So in people who are diabetic, it's not good to get that great big sugary rush all in one. So it's always better to have your fruit than have the juice only. I'm gonna pour this in. Okay, I'm gonna put some pineapple in my juice. So I have some pineapple here, fresh pineapple, to about a half cup or a nice slice of pineapple, because it's just 1 cup of juice I'm making. I'm gonna get some garlic. Just 2 cloves of garlic. This is my mid-morning snack as my juice. So I'm gonna wash these and put them in there. Okay, so I'll put those in there. So I'm gonna add some sweet pepper. I already have some sweet pepper cut up, which I have in the freezer, some leftover sweet pepper. So I'm just gonna put a few pieces in there. About a tablespoon of chopped sweet pepper, finely chopped. we're gonna blend. Okay, that's it blended. I'm gonna pour this into my cup, my jug, because I'm not quite finished yet. So now for the next part of my juice, I'm gonna blend this separately because this part I have to strain. So anything I'm gonna strain, I'm doing those separately. So when you wash the ginger first, the skin comes off quite easily. If the ginger is a bit dehydrated, if you have it for a long time, just put it in some water to soak, and then it will be much easier for you. So I'm gonna rinse this off and cut it up. So I'm gonna use a piece of cucumber. So I'm gonna cut off the edge here. You can make a nice drink with the cucumber, the pineapple, and the orange too on a daily basis, and even the ginger. That's great. So it's just a couple of pieces of I use about a, say if you have a large cucumber, about a quarter of it. I'm gonna cut up the ginger. So you don't have to use any exact measurements. I'm just using as I go along. Make it up. I'm gonna blend this again. I'm gonna blend this. Okay, so I'm gonna strain this now because this is harder to go down, and I don't want the drink to be too difficult to go down. That's why I'm straining this. But what I'm doing, I'm using a big strainer, so I still get out quite a bit of the veggies, cucumber. Still have some roughage, so I'm using this big strainer I have here. But if you want to use a smaller strainer, you can. I'm just trying to get out as much as I can out of the juice. If you want to add honey, but that's not necessary because the pineapple and the orange is more than enough. Let's strain all of this goodness. Okay, so here we are now. I'm gonna mix everything up in this Pyrex measuring cup. But you might be wondering why I have two glasses, a bigger one and a smaller one. So this is the juice. So I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna convert the juice to a shot, right? So I'm gonna put a little bit in here. I'm gonna add a half a teaspoon turmeric powder. Just a little bit of black pepper, because you have to have turmeric with a little black pepper to activate it properly, And I'm gonna mix this up. This is gonna be my shot. So you could make the juice and then you have the shot every morning if you want, right? So I'm gonna, this now is the juice. You can just have this as is, have all of it. A very healthy juice. I can top up my shot a little bit more. There we are. Ready to boost up our immune systems, especially now that it is so cold. People are gonna start getting sick more often. Alright, let me know if you try it. Alright. Enjoy. So here we have our immune booster juice and our immune booster shot.